Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quark Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Nissan Altima 2.0 SR. This is the front wheel drive with the variable compression turbocharged engine. Just drove the 2.5. I wanted to try the turbo. This thing is a riot, taking on directly the Honda Accord 2.0 Sport. This one has 236 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque. Really fun car to drive. $32,890. Looks like pearl white tri-coat. Have a nice mixture of leather and cloth inside. Now, I'd be lying to you if I said I knew how the variable compression engine works. I don't. Essentially, it ranges from something like 9.1 to 9 to 13 or something like that, based on your driving, which I think is absolutely amazing. Because this is the sports one, push a button here on the bottom of the shifter. That engages the sports setting for the CVT. So what that's going to do is increase throttle response and just put the car in a little bit of a sportier setting. Alrighty, you can tell if you watched yesterday's video with the 2.5 Altima, you can tell instantly the second you start to apply throttle, you can tell the difference. It's that substantial. I'm not saying the normal Altima is slow, but I was asking for a bit more power on the road. This one I'm not asking at all. To be frankly honest, for a front-wheel drive platform, it's almost a little bit too much. The K5 GT, the Kia K5 GT, that's a bit much for a front-wheel drive platform. The Civic Type R is right on that borderline. This one, a little bit below what the platform can actually handle, so it does feel pretty dynamic. And it doesn't just feel like a top fuel dragster where the point is to make as much power this platform can handle. With the SR trim, you do get a good amount of sporty accents throughout with this orange contrast stitching. Same is true on all other SR trims in Nissan's lineup. The rough road section does perfectly fine. Oh, this thing is awesome. If you can't stretch for the Maxima, this is perfect. In some ways, it almost feels a little bit more dynamic. It's a little bit smaller, so it does feel a little bit more agile than the Maxima, which is pretty huge. To me, a good car is one that feels good both on huge open roads and in tight obstacle courses. That's why I like this new test track. Yeah, why don't you just, ram me? Why don't you? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.